lifestyle, the soft life, the enjoyment, just getting the bars, just so many new things. It takes you loving yourself to believe the love that they have for you. You're just gonna move on and let them rant, basically. Hey lover, I'm Nuella and you're welcome back to my channel. You know the vibes already, period. If you're new here, hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Nuellalove. On this channel we talk about redefining growth, purpose and goals. And please be sure to subscribe, join this family. We are late. Honestly, you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos. They are life-changing. If you're a returning subscriber, hey lover, welcome back to this channel. So today, as you can see from the title, we are going to be talking about 10 life-changing hacks that you learn on your self-discovery journey and in solitude. Solitude is basically when you spend time alone with yourself, quality time alone with yourself. As you guys might have known, that I was actively and passively off my socials for about 11 months, and is one of the best times of my life, honestly. And I'm like, oh, I need to share these hacks with my people, and it is secrets that is in spending time alone. I'm going to be sharing all that, so be sure to watch till the end so you wouldn't miss any out. So let's just dive right into this video. So I have my little book here where I wrote the points down because I need to give you guys details. So the number one life-changing hack that I learned in spending time alone with myself is that social media is not real life. It is different. This is social media, this is reality. Baby girl, it is a scam. They are different. As much as people say this every time that, oh, social media is not real, when you spend time alone with yourself, you actually understand what that actually means, that it is actually true. I feel like I've said actually like 3 times, but let's just ignore it and move on. The standard on socials is just there. No one created it. I don't know how it came off, but there's just like a subtle standard on socials. You have to look a certain way, you have to post a certain way, you have to use a certain filter. It's just there, and it's not even about you being a fake person or you're trying to act beyond or above who you are. It's just a showbiz. You have to show up. You can't just come and just post some random picture and expect. Obviously there's no big deal in you posting it, but you're not gonna get the same engagement as someone who puts in so much effort to fit into the standard on socials. However, you spending time alone with yourself, there's nothing like that. There's no standard. You can be in your room, take your shower, look good for yourself. You're not going out. You are literally just doing things at your own pace. And this is not even about social media. It's about every other thing you might be involved in that might take like so much percentage of your time, maybe 70% or like 60% of your time. But spending time alone is the reverse. You get to spend all of the 100% with yourself, and it has advantages, guys. It is the best thing you can ever do. I'm being genuine. Spending time with yourself. The second life-changing hacks that I learned is that appreciate people more. Appreciate people, your loved ones, friends, family, parents, everybody that means so much to you. Spending time alone will teach you that people actually not as disposable as you think they are. When you are so caught up with your socials and whatever you're involved in, you forget the existence of people, you forget how much important they are. But when you spend time alone to reflect, you understand that the people I think are my friends on socials might not actually be your friends. And I'm not saying this to like scatter relationships or friendship, or I'm not here for that. I'm just saying that as much as those people are your friends online, your physical friends in reality are actually your friends. These are people that they don't care what you look on Instagram, they don't care how many followers you have, they don't care the type of person you are. They are with you through thick and thin. However, there be a reason, maybe because of how you look or the socials, your audience, your engagement. Maybe that's why some people are your friends. You just tend to know people for people, and that alone is why you should appreciate people, because these are people that would do anything for you. you. They will go to any extent for you. The third life-changing hack that I learned in my self-discovery journey or in spending time alone is that 24 hours is actually enough. It is actually enough. To be honest, I am one of those people that used to think, God should probably increase the hours because 24 hours is not enough. You don't get to do many things that you plan out to do, blah, 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 blah. But the reality is that it is actually enough, to be honest, because you sleep for 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours. You shouldn't sleep more than that. You should not sleep more than that. Please, if you are, you need to change that. 7 to 8 hours. And you go to school or go to work for the next 8 hours, you have 8 more hours, 8 extra hours to do whatever you want to do in the day. We get so carried away with like other things that take our time. With those 8 hours that you don't even know how much of time you waste, and spending time alone just allows you to reflect that I can actually use this time wisely. I can actually convert this time into money, because I'm all about the money, girl. I'm all about the soft life, the enjoyment, just getting the bars. You can always convert time into whatever it is that can add value to you. Basically, the fourth life-changing hacks that I have learned is that this is the time that you are more likely to discover new talents, new things about yourself. And I'm not saying that whatever you're doing, you can discover talents, but there's just something about you spending time. It's just you spending time with your inner self. It's called introspection, I believe. Just studying your inner mind, studying what goes within you. And that alone can birth so many beautiful things. You can discover so many good talents, so many nice skills, so many things that can even give you money, that can help you out of your comfort zone, can help your generation, can help people around you, and so much more. The fifth life-changing hacks that I've learned is that spending time alone with yourself helps you to adopt new self-care routine or new habits, because you spend time with yourself. It's just you with you, no pressure, at your own pace. You just start to understand that this works for me, this doesn't work for me, because now you listen more to yourself. You understand your body language, you understand how your body works, you understand that this cream is not for me, this is the kind of clothes I like to wear, this is my style, this is how I like to talk, just so many new things, new attributes, new characteristics, new skills, new habits, everything new. That is when you learn it. That is when you hack it, basically. The sixth life-changing hack is that you spend time loving yourself. Loving yourself. I cannot overemphasize this. You see, there's just so many self-love videos. And it is not about you watching self-love videos. It is about you actually practicing it. And the only time you can practice it is spending time alone with yourself. Best kind of investment you can give to yourself is loving yourself. No one else will do that for you. No matter who tells you they love you, whoever said they love you, and I'm not saying it's not true, but it takes you loving yourself to believe the love that they have for you. If you are empty, no matter how much they pour into you, you're still gonna feel empty. But if you have something inside already, when they add to it, it's just gonna be an added value. You're not gonna feel empty. So let's see from that point of view. In the past few months, I went on different dates with my girls. I went on so many solo dates. I went on so many solo trips. Just me enjoying nature, enjoying myself, enjoying my own company, being my own best friend, being my own cheerleader, being autonomously in charge, basically. That is the level you should be at when you know you're on yours. You just know. When people tell you this is who you are, you know for a fact that is not you, because you've spent time with yourself. When people say, she's this and this and that, you don't even need to argue. You don't need to argue with them, because that's not you. You're just gonna move on and let them rant, basically. The seventh life-changing hacks that I learned is that it's really about you, not anyone else. Your life, your destiny, your goals, you are solely responsible for them. As much as other people can also try to contribute, like, you have to do this so you can be this, the ultimate decision maker is you. So you understanding that it is me and not anyone else. This is my life. It gives you a sense of responsibility. And the 8th life-changing hack that I've learned is that your source is important. You have to spend time knowing God. God for me is my source, is the basis upon which I am found, is my foundation. And I believe as a person, if you don't know your source, you can't know your destination. So spend time knowing whatever your source is. Basically, I'm not going to force my source on you. For me, I know God. I believe in God. I believe that I'm created in his image and in his likeness. I believe that he has the breath I breathe. He's basically in charge of my life. So spend time knowing him. I'm not there yet. I'm still on the journey. And just maybe sincere with myself. You being honest to yourself that I'm not there yet. I haven't really found myself. I'm on that journey, and I'm willing to go back to the source, go back to the genesis. And then the 9th life-changing hacks that I learned is that little is more. I don't know if you guys have heard the saying that contentment is a great gain. Contentment with godliness is a great gain. When you are contented with whatever it is, what you have, who you are, whatever goes on, you won't really get moved because you are not looking out for what is out there. You are contented with what you have. So when you spend time alone, it's just you in your bubble. You're not trying to impress anyone. There's no pressure. It's just you to you, basically. And it takes me to the last life-changing hacks, the 10th life-changing hacks that I have learned on my journey to finding myself and in solitude is the one and only hack called discipline. I cannot overemphasize discipline. Discipline is a life skill. You learn it for life, and once you've acted it, you can use it in every sphere of your life. Spending time alone, off socials, off whatever you are involved in, takes a lot of discipline. It's not easy. It's something you've been doing for months, for years, and suddenly breaking it. It's gonna be because it's like an addiction, basically. So it takes a lot of willpower, a lot of inner strength, a lot of discipline, courage to be able to just do that. So it teaches discipline, and once you hack it, girl, boy, you're gonna use it on every part of your life, and it will pay off. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, which I'm sure you have, please like this video. So when you like my videos, it tells YouTube, informs them that this video is good for viewers. Viewers love it, and then it helps them to push it. So they basically push it to other people to view. And we are not selfish in this channel. We want people to benefit from this. So try as much as possible to let people also enjoy what you're enjoying. So yeah, just click on the like button and also subscribe if you haven't. I mean, by now I don't think I'm supposed to tell you guys to subscribe. You should because there's just so many nice content, life-changing hacks, life-changing content that's going to be coming your way, and I don't want you to miss out. Also, be sure to click on the notification bell so you can get notified, so you can be the first to get notified or get notified each time I post a new video. And yeah, with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny.